Hello friends, this video is just a small update to video number 59 posted a few weeks ago where I had explained how you can build your own ultra low power DIY 433 MHz RF door window sensor from scratch to get both open and close codes as well as the battery high and low codes using ATTiny13 microcontroller. Along with ATTiny13 code, I had also shared a code for ATTiny13 that can only send open and close codes but no battery codes. So in this video, I will show you how you can get battery codes even from an ATTiny13 chip with a small modification to the original circuit. So let's get started. This was the original circuit discussed in the last video. To get the battery codes from ATTiny13 microcontroller, we need to add an external battery voltage monitoring circuit and provide its output to one of the pins of ATTiny13, which will then analyze that battery voltage signal and in turn send the appropriate RF code. The external battery voltage monitor circuit can easily be built using just 2 NPN transistors and 4 resistors as shown here. This resistor is the battery voltage sensing resistor. While building this circuit, you first need to finalize the battery type that you want to use in it. If you are using two AAA batteries in series, the total battery voltage in that case will be 3 volts. Hence you need to use a 240 kilo ohm resistor here. And if you are planning to use a 3.7 volt lithium battery, then use 180 kilo ohms resistor instead. The output of this circuit will stay high as long as the battery voltage remains above a specified level. Once the voltage drops, it will turn the output low. We can now connect this output directly to one of the pins of ATTiny13. As in previous video, we had already used all the usable pins of the microcontroller, so now we need to free one of them to input the battery monitor signal. So for that, I decided to use pin 2 of ATTiny13. Before connecting the ATTiny13 chip to the circuit, we first need to program it. Download the hex file from the link provided in the description and then program ATTiny13 chip using that hex file. If you don't know how to program a microcontroller, check description below for the related video links. Once you have programmed the microcontroller, complete your circuit as per the diagram. Once the circuit is complete, power it up using appropriate battery type as per the plan. Make sure not to supply voltage above 5.5 volt as this may fry the ATTiny chip and make the whole circuit useless. This circuit works on ultra low power, hence the batteries will last much longer. And here is our final DIY RF door sensor made using ATTiny13 microcontroller that sends both open and close codes along with battery high and low codes. If you want to buy these ready to use sensors, check description for the same. So this was all about this short update. For full explanation of this DIY RF door window sensor, please watch video number 59. Now build your own sensors and automate your home in an economical way. If you still have any query or if you face any issues while building it, do comment below and I will respond to them at the earliest. You may also join vccground Telegram channel for deep discussion on the same. And at last, do like, share and subscribe vccground for more such unique DIY and practical ideas. So that's it for now. We will meet in another exciting video soon. Till then, goodbye friends.